The 48 Laws of Power, a Stoic interpretation. Power is neither good nor evil, it simply is. It flows to those who understand its nature, respect its principles, and master its use. The Stoics did not seek power for dominance, but for self-mastery. They understood that true power comes not from controlling others, but from controlling oneself. Robert Greene's 48 Laws of Power can be viewed through the lens of Stoicism, not as a tool for manipulation, but as a guide to self-discipline, resilience, and wisdom. Here is a Stoic interpretation of the laws grounded in logic, virtue, and personal strength. Law 1. Never outshine the master. Stoic view. True wisdom does not seek the spotlight. Ego is the enemy. Do not challenge those in power directly. Observe, learn, and grow in silence. Be humble in strength, patient in progress. Law 2. Never put too much trust in friends. Learn to use enemies. Stoic view. Trust is earned, not assumed. Even a friend can betray under pressure. Do not depend on the loyalty of others. Depend on your own inner stability. Let enemies sharpen you like a blade against stone. Law 3. Conceal your intentions. Stoic view. Do not scatter your focus. Act with clarity, but speak with restraint. Not everyone deserves to know your plans. Silence is strength. Law 4. Always say less than necessary. Stoic view. Words are like fire. Used wisely, they bring warmth. Used recklessly, they burn everything. Speak only what is needed. A wise man is known by his silence. Law 5. Guard your reputation with your life. Stoic view. Reputation is a reflection of your character. Guard it through action, not words. Let your deeds speak louder than your defenses. Live with integrity, and reputation will follow. Law 6. Court attention at all costs. Stoic view. Do not chase attention, chase excellence. The Stoic does not seek to be noticed, but to be remembered for his virtue. Law 7. Get others to do the work for you, but always take the credit. Stoic view, a leader empowers others, not exploits them. True power lies in collaboration, in lifting others while lifting yourself. Take credit for your discipline, not the work of others. Law 8. Make other people come to you. Use bait if necessary. Stoic view. Do not chase, attract. Power flows to those who control themselves, who move with purpose. Stand firm and let the world come to you. Law 9. Win through your actions, never through argument. Stoic view. Words convince few. Actions convince all. Do not argue, demonstrate. Live your philosophy and the world will listen. Law 10. Avoid the unhappy and unlucky. Stoic view. Energy is contagious. Surround yourself with those who elevate you, not drain you. A drowning man cannot save another. Be strong first. Law 11. Learn to keep people dependent on you. Stoic view. Do not seek control, seek mastery. Make yourself valuable, not by creating dependence, but by becoming irreplaceable through skill and wisdom. Law 12. Use selective honesty to disarm your victim. Stoic view. Honesty is a weapon best wielded with wisdom. The truth is powerful. Use it wisely, speak it when necessary, and always with integrity. Law 13. When asking for help, appeal to self-interest, never to mercy. Stoic view. Understand human nature, but do not manipulate it. People act out of their own reasons. Align your requests with their motivations, but never lose sight of honor. Law 14. Pose as a friend, work as a spy. Stoic view. Gather knowledge, but do not deceive. A wise man observes, listens, and learns, but his power comes from truth, not trickery. Law 15. Crush your enemy totally. Stoic view. A war avoided is a battle won. True power does not come from destruction, but from eliminating conflict before it begins. Law 16. Use absence to increase respect and honor. Stoic view. Too much presence breeds indifference. Do not overexpose yourself. Let your absence build appreciation. Leave before you are no longer missed. Law 17. Keep others in suspended terror. Cultivate an air of unpredictability on the Stoic view. Control your emotions. Control your reactions. Let others guess your next move, but always be in control of your own mind. Law 18. Do not build fortresses to protect yourself. Isolation is dangerous. Stoic view. The wise man moves freely, unburdened by fear. Build allies, not walls. Strength comes from adaptability, not isolation. Law 19. Know who you're dealing with. Do not offend the wrong person. Stoic view. Choose your battles wisely. Not every insult needs a response. Power lies in knowing when to fight and when to walk away. Law 20. Do not commit to anyone. Stoic view. Do not pledge loyalty blindly. A Stoic is committed only to virtue, truth, and inner strength. Law 21. Play a sucker to catch a sucker. Seem dumber than your mark. Stoic view. Pride is a weakness. A wise man does not seek to prove his intelligence at every moment. He observes, listens, and lets others reveal themselves. To know more, sometimes you must speak less. Law 22. Use the surrender tactic. Transform weakness into power. Stoic view. A wise man does not fight battles he cannot win. Surrender is not defeat. It is strategy. Step back, regroup, and strike when the moment is right. Patience is power. Law 23. Concentrate your forces. Stoic view. Focus is strength. A scattered mind achieves nothing. A disciplined mind moves mountains. Do not chase many things. Master one, and power will follow. Law 24. Play the perfect courtier. Stoic view. Adaptability is wisdom. The wise man understands the world and moves through it with grace. He does not flatter, but he studies human nature and acts with purpose. Law 25. Recreate yourself. Stoic view. Do not remain trapped by the past. Reinvent yourself as often as needed. A Stoic is not rigid. He evolves, adapts, and grows. Become who you need to be. Law 26. Keep your hands clean. Stoic view. Do what is right, not what is easy. Power gained through dishonor is power that will crumble. Integrity is the foundation of lasting strength. Law 27. Play on people's need to believe to create a cult-like following. Stoic view. Do not manipulate, enlighten. The weak seek followers, the strong seek wisdom. Inspire through action, not illusion. Lead by example, not deception. Law 28. Enter action with boldness. Stoic view. Hesitation is defeat. Do not let fear hold you back. Act with confidence, move with purpose, and let hesitation belong to others. Boldness bends the world to your will. Law 29. Plan all the way to the end. Stoic view. A wise man sees beyond the present. He does not act blindly. He considers all outcomes. Do not live by impulse. Live by strategy, foresight, and patience. Law 30. Make your accomplishments seem effortless. Stoic view. Mastery appears effortless, but only to the undisciplined. True excellence comes from relentless practice. Let your results speak, not your struggles. Law 31. Control the options. Get others to play the cards. You deal, Stoic view. A wise man does not seek control over others, only over himself. Do not force choices. Guide with wisdom. Let others think they decide, while you remain in control of your own destiny. Law 32. Play to people's fantasies. Stoic view. The wise man does not entertain illusions. He seeks truth, even when it is harsh. Speak reality, not dreams. People may resist, but truth endures. Law 33. Discover each man's weak spot. Stoic view. To understand others is power, not to exploit, but to lead with wisdom. Strength comes not from breaking others, but from knowing how to reach them. Law 34. Be royal in your own fashion. Act like a king to be treated like one. Stoic view. Respect begins with self-respect. Carry yourself with dignity, with honor. Act as if you are worthy, and the world will believe it. Law 35. Master the art of timing. Stoic view. A moment too soon or too late can change everything. Patience is not weakness, it is control. Act when the time is right, not when emotions dictate. Law 36. Disdain things you cannot have. Ignoring them is the best revenge. Stoic view. Desire is a chain. Indifference is freedom. What you cannot have, let it go. Power is the ability to walk away unbothered. Law 37. Create compelling spectacles. Stoic view. Let your actions be your spectacle. Do not seek to impress. Seek to inspire. A silent example is louder than 1,000 words. Law 38. Think as you like, but behave like others. Stoic view. Wisdom is knowing when to speak and when to stay silent. The mind is free, but the wise man knows how to navigate the world without unnecessary conflict. Law 39. Stir up waters to catch fish. Stoic view. Do not let anger cloud your mind. If others lose control, let them, while you remain steady, composed, and in command. Law 40. Despise the free lunch. Stoic view. What is given freely is valued lightly. Earn everything. Work for your power, your wisdom, your success. Self-earned wealth is unshakable. Law 41. Avoid stepping into a great man's shoes. Stoic view. Do not live in another's shadow. Create your own path. Carve your own way. The past is a lesson, not a prison. Life 42. Strike the shepherd and the sheep will scatter. Stoic view. Power is rooted in leadership. Cut the source and the rest falls apart. But be cautious. True victory is won by wisdom, not destruction. Law 43. Work on the hearts and minds of others. Stoic view. Power that lasts is built on trust, not fear. Win hearts through virtue and minds through wisdom. Do not force obedience, earn respect. Law 44. Disarm and infuriate with the mirror effect. Stoic view. The best way to defeat an enemy is to show them themselves. A wise man holds up a mirror, not a sword. Law 45. Preach the need for change, but never reform too much at once. Stoic view. People resist sudden change. Guide them step by step, with patience and strategy. The wise man moves mountains slowly. Law 46. Never appear too perfect. Stoic view. Perfection breeds envy. Show your scars, your struggles. Let others see the climb, not just the summit. Law 47. Do not go past the mark you aimed for. Stoic view. Victory is knowing when to stop. Do not chase power blindly. A wise man steps back before greed takes hold. Law 48. Assume formlessness. Stoic view. Rigidity is weakness. Water adapts, flows, and overcomes. Be water, fluid, adaptable, yet unbreakable. Final Stoic reflection. Power is not in wealth. Power is not in control over others. Power is in mastery of the self. A Stoic does not crave power. He becomes powerful by conquering his fears, his doubts, his weaknesses. Be disciplined. Be resilient. Be unshakable. And power will be yours, not because you seek it, but because you no longer need it.